Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to Peacock Way. I hope your day is going good. So in today's project I was thinking of doing something new, so I made this embellishment. I used dies, some tags and fishtail tags, then also some stickers as well. So I put everything together and I'm going to be using for this project and see how it turns out. So if you like this, let me know in the comments so I can make something like this and show you in my next project. So let's have fun and see how it turns out. hope you liked it and enjoyed watching it. I love doing experiments, so I like to try something different each time. So if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. So I will see you in my next project with the different ideas. So you can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. Thanks. Bye.